And I still have the receipt of when I bought these. They're in a jar. There's no way all of them can be smashed like this. Because you want to have better food than me. You steal my food and give me your nasty, disgusting food that you bought. And the only reason why you're calling it your daughter, go ahead, bitch. The only reason why you are calling it your fucking evil ass purple ugly daughter is because you want it and don't want me to have it. These cherries were not open prior. They were open less than 15 minutes ago. It's when these cherries were open. We don't even eat these no other time. You are a liar. You are a severe, extreme liar. And you know your daughter's ugly. I don't give a fuck. Do you know what this bastard does to me non-stop on a daily basis? Non-stop towards my sons and daughters. Sexual, beating them, raping them. And I cannot repeat all the terrorization. Even today, it is every single day. And I have not been repeating it. As soon as I repeat it, that would throw a party in both my ears, saying she got real proof of me saying what she is saying to my sons and daughters every single day. That's what I don't give a fuck about calling your evil child evil, ugly, a real child molester. Everything that I say towards your child, I have no regret of what you do really to my sons and daughters. God, you to be Jerry as God as my witness. This bastard opened them, he took the seal off of them, and he crushed every last one of them, saying that it is his child's face. Her ugly face at that. The same face that he puts on my butt with his ugly face, frowning, his ugly face in my skin on my butt, sexually raping my butt repeatedly over and over and over non-stop, while beating and belittling and terrorizing my sons and daughters at the same fucking time, you ugly bastard. And it is not a magic potion. It is a real suit, invisible suit that they wear extremely severely